sure you've seen some of our film on some buildings that are in construction that we make for some major um, building supply companies such as Certainty, such as Henry Company, GAF. We also supply product that goes into composites for aircrafts and windmills. We also supply product that also goes into automobiles. We supply product that goes into every traffic sign that you see. The most unique thing about our product is that most of it is a throwaway product.
And the safety of the plant, so that's making sure everything that we manufacture here doesn't go out to the environment, and then also keeping our people here safe, making sure everybody goes home in the condition they showed up in. So,
what's so cool about manufacturing? So, one of our goals here is to certainly try to educate you on manufacturing, but more specifically in Indiana. Nobody's really heard of Indiana, but we touch many different products and industries.
Manufacturing.
Manufacturing is cool because every day is different. It never gets boring. I always have something new I can learn. Every day I go home knowing more than what I came to work with.
Work ethic. Okay? We don't want to see new people come in here and just, I know you don't know anything about the machine, but we don't want to see you just hanging back and not wanting to be involved in anything. We want to see you work. You know, we want to see you right alongside of us. We'll help you with everything, but you got to want to learn. That's the thing.
So I know you guys are big on goals and stuff and accomplishing things, but when you come into work, what's your personal goal?
To make a good product all day long. That's it. That's my goal.